In this video, we will be learning how to remove a filled color from a text field and PDF by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here on my screen, you can see this is a fillable PDF form. The color is showing here. Now here you can see the color is now showing here. Okay, so this is a PDF form. I can type, anything here. Okay, but the color is not showing. So how to do it, in this video, we will be learning this step by step. Okay, first you will need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Okay, so when you open it, then you will need to simply click here on this tool icon. Okay, so when you click on it, then here you will need to click on prefer palm. Okay, so simply click on this button. When you click on it, then here on this side you can see it's showing more. Okay, so if it's not showing, you can simply click here on this button. So simply click on it. So this interface will be showing on your screen. Okay, right click on this. Okay, so when you click on it, now here you can see it's showing highlight existing field. Okay, so simply click on this button. So now you will, if I just simply click on preview, now you can see it is disappear. Okay, so the color is not showing here. Okay, but even you can type here whatever you want, whatever you like, you can tap here, but the color is not showing here. Okay, but if you want to show it again, okay, so simply just come here and simply click on this edit button. Okay, and then here you can see it showing more. So simply click on this, and here simply click on highlight existing field. Okay, now you can see it showing here. So simply click on preview. Now you can see again, guys, so it's showing this thing. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you. See you later. Bye.